Welcome children once again to Bright Beams Academy. Children, we did basic word problems in my previous videos. Children, sometimes we are asked to solve tricky story sum. There might be some additional information. So, in this video, we will learn advanced word problem. But before we start, check your answer of story sum given in my last video. Let's look in Alex's study table. Alex has 23 long notebooks, 19 short notebooks and 11 textbooks. How many notebooks are there in all? Children, circle the numbers and underline the keywords. Now let's place the numbers in proper tens and ones place. 23, 19 and 11. Now we will write the statements. What is 23? Number of long notebooks. What is 19? Number of short notebooks. And what is 11? Number of textbooks. Children, are we doing correctly? No. What mistake we did? We are asked to add only notebooks, but we are adding textbooks also. So don't add 11 textbooks. Add only notebooks. So 23 notebooks plus 19 notebooks equals 42 notebooks. So the answer is there are 42 notebooks in all. What did we learn today? We need to read information carefully and we have to understand properly what we are asked to find out. So try this tricky sum and check your answer in my next video. Do like, subscribe and mail your feedback to Bright Beams Academy @gmail.com.